Hello, Tubesters. How are we? As you can probably tell by my voice, I'm sounding deep, I'm sounding shit. And that looks like some kind of bloody whale. Anyway, for the last few days, I blocked up doors. I was absolutely bunged up, and you could probably still hear my sniffles in the background. So yeah, I made a video for a few days now, about more than a few days. Where should I begin? I've got a wedding invite to go to again in Bradford. I've tried saying no, but they're like, yes, you have to come. So I'm like, bollocks. So I'm thinking, do I go and get some free meals? Save myself what? 7-8 quid for food, but then again I am wasting fuel. Yeah. But on the other hand, it is a day out, so tempting. Very tempting. What can I say? A mate's mate did some washing up for me. Got a bag there full of clothes. And got a bag there full of clothes. So thanks for them. Yada yada yada. Even though you're not going to see this video, so there's no point mentioning names. So yeah, I went, got them sorted. Probably tell I'm yawning in background. I haven't had very good sleep, especially with all this nice weather we've been having. You know what I mean? And especially with me bloody snoring at nights. How do I know I've been snoring? Somebody banged on my window. Luckily for me, I was in one of the local areas, so they're just like, bro, we can hear you from outside. So I'm thinking, shit, giving myself away, yeah. There's them strips you can buy on your nose, on your bridge of your nose, and they're supposed to help you breathing. There's other things like you can do. One thing I don't want to do is keep waking up every half an hour to make sure I'm not snoring, you know. So I don't know what to do. I want to get something sorted before it, but you know, if it happens, it happens. So yeah. Not much to talk about. I haven't been working. The guy who offered me a job, who I worked for before, he's gone quiet on me. The other guy who I left, he's he says, oh, you give me extra money, £12, give me a bank account, I'll send you money. I'm like, £12, mate, no, you're right, you can keep it, give it to your kids. I'll use it for your special wacky-backy, your special substances, special herbs. So, yeah. Try not to go down that route again. I was just in America, that route. It's not route, it's a route. So, yeah. Going to work in passive with dogs. Damn. Girl, you look nice. You can do some dogging. Wow, wow. Put me on a leash. Flippin' heck. I ain't saying no. So yeah. I ain't saying no, pal. Yeah. That's what I've been doing. Looking forward to my next job. So, I mean, I've got gate keys here for when we pack buses up. An idea has come to mind is I could pack up in the gates, lock it behind me, and just fall asleep on one of the back of buses. And about 5 o'clock in the morning, just get out again before the buses go out, you know. So that's one thought I've got. And yeah, it's a secure car park, small place, so there are ladies of the night walking around, so that's putting it politely, ain't it? Ladies of the night. So, what can I say? Another thing I can do is park up in the industrial area, but there's obviously it's weekend tomorrow, so there will be a lot of noise. So I can park up there. There's an overnight car park I've thought of in Sheffield City Centre, down the moor. I think after 8 or 10, I can't remember, till 6 or 8 o'clock in the morning. It's only a couple of quid. So, park at your own risk, innit? Plus, if I park in residential areas like this one here, you got people walking past all the time, and if I'm there snoring away and I don't hear nothing, I don't know what to do. I don't want to be reported, so But like I say, just park somewhere where it's quiet or loud. So I suppose it's cheaper than hotels, isn't it? Motels, as it's in America. Come on, mate, you can get your car for a deal. Take with delivery drivers. Yeah, that's all I can say, you know. I really wanted to keep my job with the other guy. No, so I can get my minibus out. Or at least get one of these vans or something, you know. At least I've got a bit more room to move around in, rather than squirming around. So yeah. Tomorrow, I might go Meadowhall for a bit, since that's a busy place. Meadowhall Shopping Centre. But the thing is, you could only park for 3 hours, dear. There's the staff car park what they have, and I could park there, but obviously I'm not staff. So yeah. Don't know what to do. So Hope everyone's alright, and thanks to the guys who have stuck around, for my subscribers. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. My videos are boring themselves. I just ramble through. What I was gonna say, my friend Fletcher, I went to see him at the week. I was gonna ask him if I could move in with him, but obviously he's got his I don't know, Mrs. Dear, so-called girlfriend. Looks like she's been slapped around a bit. So that's trying to put it politely, but I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. She's been used and abused. So I don't exactly want to stay with them, since the house just reeks from smoking. So yeah, man, what can I say? The search goes on. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll upload this, and I'll probably make one tomorrow, if not day after or something. So I'll see you later, alligator. Ta-da.